Learn how to create this simple progress bar within a second in Alight Motion. So we'll click this to start a new project. Let's set our size by 1:1 and type in, name the project. So it means progress bar. I believe everyone to understand what progress bar is. So we'll leave this as transparent and we'll click create the project. Okay, at this point now we'll start with the plus sign. We'll create our shape, bring in the rectangle shape. So let's click the 3 dot at the top here. Select stretch to composition area. Now you want to use this rectangle to give it a background color. Now select white as the background color. Great. Now at this point we will draw a shape, a line that we act as the progress bar, whereby you use the vector drawing. Use it at the right here, and you click at this plus sign and we move it first to this side. You click here and drag. You can see a red line was showing, so the red line will tell you that the line is straight. So because I want to make it straight, I don't want to move away from the red line. Alright, so I leave it straight this way and click this other side. Now to confirm whether it is straight, you can use the get line here and do this. Drag this down, come to the shape and use the position to position to the side, and let us see. Alright, it's at the center and it's straight. It's at the center and it is straight. Great. Now you move the fill color, so you can see it here, color and fill. Click on it and remove that. After selecting that, now we come to the border. Select the border, activate the border which is to enable it, and increase the stroke. Increase the stroke to 50.5 is okay. Right, great. 50.5 is okay. Okay, now this stroke, now you give it a faded, make it gray. Let's give it a gray color. Let's adjust it a little. The gray color to this side. Great, and we will duplicate it again. We duplicate this again. Come to this side. I don't need this. Come to this side. Duplicate this, and give it. Come to your border and stroke. Give this a blue color to make it visible. Alright, now that is for that. Now at this point we want to eliminate this. You will come to this side, come to move and transform, come to the scale, which is this. You see this link here, you will click on the link to break the link between each scale. Now in this scale you have the width and the height. You can see it there. So when you are doing this, you have merged it together, whereby it's going to work together. The width and the scale will be increasing together, but this time we don't want the width and the length to move together. So we will have to deactivate it, or let me just say break the link between the width and the height. Now we'll be working with with the width. So you can see this now. We're working with the width only. Let me Ctrl Z to make it. Let me undo it. Alright, great. Now, so before doing that, you'll come to the position. You're going to change the point. The pivot point, you move it to down here. You can see it, just move it center down here. That's for the pivot point, and after that you are good to go do that, break the link between that and select this, and you can see this. You bring this down here, you can see. Alright, so the PowerPoint, let it move from the what? Move from the center. And bring it down here to the end. So this is the end of the loading. So I want to put it maybe at 2 seconds. Alright, and come to 0 second there and put your keyframe, reduce this at 0 second. Alright, so that is it. You reduce that at 0 second to this, and you can see add your easy curve. I would like to use easy in and ease out to make it smooth. You can select the point, make sure you position into this side back like this. This is okay this way, and let us see. Since it surpasses that side, right? Okay, come back here. Let's use ease it out. Let us see how smooth to move. Alright, so we're using the ease out. Alright, great. Using the easing in for that. Now, what next? We want to put in the text. You will come to this side, type in text. So we'll be typing 100%. This 100%. Select a font. I select Popping Medium. You can select any font, but make it visible. And select black to make it visible. And use the positioning to position it to the side. Yeah. Now it's time to scale it down in the 2 bits. Alright, position it to the side here now. So this is okay. So we'll be using what? Using effects for this. This is a text effect. So let us go there now to the text effects. Sorry for that. I'm not creating any text. Delete this. I don't need this. Select this and come to effect. Add effect. You see the text effect. Text effect. So you can see count up and down effect. Select the count up and down effect. Select standard setting. So now we want to use the multiplication and this. Multiplication and this. So you can see this is adding up to this. So this is 100. So you come to this side, put your keyframe here and put a keyframe here. So the keyframe here is to add, this keyframe is to minus. So minus means we are going back using the negative side. So you can see that it's going down to 100 to 0% rather to 0. Alright, so that is it. And apply the same curve you applied to the what? Apply to the previous, to the shape, which is the shape. Yes, to the shape. That is easing curve and this to make it end at the same time. So you can see this 100%. So this is how to create the progress bar in Alight Motion. So I believe you've learned from this video. So do well to like and subscribe, and await for our coming tips and tricks. We are coming with more bigger video, so please do not miss out. Do well to subscribe. See you later. Bye.